So welcome everyone once again. This is Kevin from CSMI in Australia. Today I'm going to share with you a new model which is a FASSI F1650 truck crane. This is one of the bigger cranes with an extension boom or an extension fly or an extension arm that goes with it, and it actually can be mounted on a truck directly with or without a turntable. So that's what I'm going to share with you. As usual, if you have any question or comments, leave it down below, or you can email us at info@csmi.com.au. Now, to give you some dimensions, this is about 2.5 feet or 630 millimeters in length. It's about 11 inches wide, which is about 300 mil, and the height is about 11 inches or 300 millimeters. It comes in a double packing box. The first box houses what you see, and then there's a second box that houses the first box, and the first box is not damaged. Let's get the camera a bit more closer to show you how it's all set up. So that's what comes in the crane, beautifully packed. The extension arm or the extension fly or the extra section on the top, whatever you want to call it, is an optional extra. There are two versions. There are a few versions in this crane actually. You can get it. You can get this particular model. So this one is generally designed for a 4-axle truck, and the outriggers go into the chassis itself, so it's nice and flush. But there are other models where the outriggers fold on the top, but this one actually goes into the truck itself. The crane comes fully assembled, it comes painted, and it comes with a radio. The radio they've chosen from the factory is a FlySky Paladin EV18, which has got 3D joysticks on it. So I'm going to open this up. You get some spare hoses, you get some extras with it. The lights, which I will show you in the detail, there's a set of lights and a working winch that's controlled by this particular car remote. So there's a receiver for it that fits in the crane that needs a smaller battery, but we'll get into all of those details. So let me just show you in general first the packing, and then we'll come back into the details of everything else. So that's how the crane is packed. That's what you're going to see. That's what you're going to get when it comes out of the box. Very well crafted. A lot of detail, a lot of engineering has gone into building this product. When I go into the details in the other video, you'll see what I mean. I mean, the hydraulic lines, the telescopic sections, it's got pretty much everything that you can think of. I'm just going to go into the overview up here, and then we'll break it down into other videos where I'll show you more details. So for example, the oil tanks, there are two oil tanks here. One is a dummy, one is functional. It's 3D printed. It's quite well built, actually has a lot of detail on it. Further here you have a full working winch. You got a set of work lights. The work lights actually work. You got two fans, just like the real life, but I mean these are just simulated, but they are functional and they do operate. The case comes with the radio. That's how it comes packed in the box. The tray is actually fixed to the chassis. You can't take it out. And then you have a magnetic cover, and this is where the electronics is housed for the winch and for the lights. It's a 3D printed cover, pretty detailed, and you don't have to screw it. Great idea. This clips on directly in location, just like the real thing. So inside you just got the motor up here. You got some electronics. Let's get the camera on this side. Not sure if I can open this, but I'll try to. Yep, here's where you got all your receiver and the hydraulic valves for all the cylinders in there. So this is pretty much where we're going to be on this particular video. I'm going to pull it out and then share more details of the inside of the crane in the next one. So as usual, thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, you can leave it in the section below or email us at info@csmi.com.au, or you can see the websites right up there, right up here. There you go. Here's the website. You can visit the website and you can buy the crane from there. So as usual, thank you for watching.